Well, it's almost Christmas. Let's talk about giving the gift of aviation. I want to start this video out sharing a personal story. From a very young age, I loved airplanes. I remember being about 12 years old and talking to my dad about a good friend of ours. Wally owned a business called OMAC Air Service, and he owned a pretty large hangar. He could fit probably, I don't know, 5 general aviation aircraft in there. And I remember asking my dad, do you think that Wally would mind if I came up and hung out with him at the hangar sometimes? And my dad said, why don't you just give him a call and see what he says? So I picked up the phone and gave him a call. I was very nervous and I introduced myself and said, I was hoping that I could maybe come up and hang out at the airport with you sometimes and help you out a little bit. And he was a kind, generous man, and he said, yeah, that would be okay. Come on over. And from that point on, any chance I had, I'd jump on my bike or I'd have my dad drop me off at the airport and I'd go and hang out with my friend Wally. I'm sure that I was much more of a nuisance than I was a help to Wally, but he was always kind and he showed me how to do certain things on airplanes. I remember one time he was replacing a propeller on an airplane and it had a bolt that was stuck in place, and he showed me how to gently use a little heat with a torch to help to expand the metal in such a way that it was easy to loosen the bolts on the propeller. I helped him change oil sometimes. He showed me how to use cat litter to clean up spilled oil. But if I'm honest, most of the time I would spend climbing in and out of his customers' airplanes. I remember one time climbing into this brown Piper Cherokee, and probably shouldn't have been doing this, but I started flipping switches and I accidentally flipped the master switch, which obviously is not a good thing, and it spun up the electric gyros. And that whirring sound kind of frightened me a little bit. I thought, oh no, I've just fired up the jet engine in this thing. Obviously many years have passed since then. I think Wally was probably my age when I would go visit him, and here I am 50 years old and thinking about ways that I could give back to show that appreciation. So let me ask you a question. What have you done to share this gift of aviation with others? More than likely somebody has shared it with you. In my case, I often ask people if they want to go for an airplane ride, and I've done several Young Eagle flights. A few times I've actually invited some young folks to come over and help me work on my airplane. And that's kind of what spurred this video. Recently my friend Mike was talking to me and telling me how much his son Oliver loves airplanes, and mentioned that he'd probably love to come over and work on the Sonex with me in the garage. And I thought, wow, okay, that sounds like a great idea. And so I found an assembly that we could put together and work together on, a very simple one, but it used several different building processes, everything from cutting on a bandsaw, drilling with a drill, fitting pressed fittings.
You're doing a good job, Oliver.
Using a torque wrench, and overall just building a cool little assembly that wasn't too difficult to build, but it was a good experience for these boys to get in there and get their hands on.
Right now, make airplane sounds.
That sounds like a car.
So in summation, let me just say how much I appreciated having this time. We had planned to meet for about an hour. I figured that's about how much time it would take for us to build this assembly. But we ended up staying about 2 hours, and about half of that time was spent just after the part was built, just sitting around talking about airplanes. And I really enjoyed listening to Oliver just go on and on about how much he loved the SR-71 and giving me all the statistics on it. And it was just a great opportunity for me, and I hope obviously for him as well. So as we reflect on this Christmas season, I encourage you to just take a minute and share that gift with somebody. Think of somebody who might benefit from getting their hands on an airplane, and I think that every one of us that is building an airplane or has gotten our pilot's license, it's just wonderful, and by that I mean full of wonder. And to be able to give that gift to somebody else is just immeasurable. So at this time in season, I encourage you to just, take a minute and think about with whom you could share this wonderful gift of aviation. And that's all I have to say about that.